Happy holidays, and thank you so much for joining me today. My name's Emily Farber, and I'm a realtor with Lepicrater Realtors in Iowa City. On this channel, I usually focus on all things related to the Iowa City area and real estate, but this week I'm doing something a little bit different, and I'm bringing you a video Christmas card with an easy and super tasty holiday treat. I can't tell you how much your viewership and support means to me. Being able to reach and help people who are looking to relocate to or buy and sell in the greater Iowa City area is a foundational pillar of my business. It's the way I support myself and my family. So thank you. Thank you for watching, commenting, sharing my videos, and reaching out to me to help you achieve your real estate goals. I appreciate it, and I value each and every opportunity to serve you as your Iowa City area realtor. 2020 was difficult in so many ways, so my most sincere wish for all of us is a happy and healthy new year in 2021. And now for the sweet treat. If you're looking for an easy, no-bake holiday treat to add to your Christmas cookie spread, or anytime indulgence really, here you go. I recently saw a funny little infographic by Zippia. Apparently they conducted a cross-country survey of the most Googled holiday treats and recipes to come up with this nationwide infographic that named each state's most popular dessert. And much to my surprise, Iowa's was the Oreo Ball. Seriously, I would have put money on peanut butter blossoms. I'm a native Iowan and I've lived in the state for the majority of my life, with brief forays to Wyoming and Indiana. And up until just last year, I had never heard or tried an Oreo ball until a fabulous friend of mine brought them to my Thanksgiving. He said he's made them for ages. Had I been missing out? Jason's Oreo balls were a huge hit. In fact, my daughter loved them so much that I found out later she snuck several of them off to her bedroom to hide them because she knew that her brothers would demolish the tray. She wasn't wrong. Once I found out how easy they were to make, I added them to my list of holiday treats. They are decadent and almost truffle or cake ball-like. I also love that they are no bake, they only take a few ingredients, and they're customizable. Plus, they're easy enough when you have little helpers. Alrighty, enough talking, let's make Oreo balls. You can really use any kind of Oreos that you want, but I am using mint Oreos today so that we can have chocolate mint truffle balls with a little candy cane sprinkle on top for the holidays. I find it works best to put about half the cookies in the blender at a time, or if you need to take out some holiday aggressions, you can put them in a Ziploc bag and give them a couple of good whacks with a rolling pin. The next step is to take a block of cream cheese. 1 block of cream cheese to 1 package of Oreos. This has been sitting out on my counter for a little while, so it's starting to get nice and soft. I'm going to add it to my cookie crumbles and blend it together with a hand mixer. Eventually, you are going to get a almost Play-Doh-like mix of Oreo cookie crumbles and cream cheese. We're going to roll these into little balls on a cookie sheet and then chill them or freeze them. Once you're done with this step, go wash your hands and put those Oreo balls in the refrigerator for about an hour or in the freezer for maybe 15 or 20 minutes. While we're waiting for those Oreo balls to firm up in the freezer, we're going to crush up a candy cane or two for our sprinkle on top. I'm going to use a chocolate melting wafer to use as the chocolate that I dip my Oreo balls in, but you could use chocolate almond bark or even chocolate chips. I'm going to melt mine in the microwave, but you can also do that in a double boiler if you have one. When you're melting chocolate, you do need to be careful not to overheat it. So the directions on this package of chocolate say to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, give it a stir, and then put it in at 15-second intervals, stirring after each one until they're nice and melty. It's starting to get pretty melty. Probably only going to take 1 or 2 more cycles at 15 seconds each. All right, I just pulled my Oreo balls out of the freezer. They're nice and firm now. I'm going to dip them in the chocolate, roll them around, bring them out, and set them back on this tray. Give each one a little shake and a tap to knock off the excess chocolate. Hey, thanks for joining me on today's holiday card and Oreo ball recipe video. If you would like the recipe for these treats, you can find it in the description box down below. All you need to do is tap the title of this video and that description box will open right up. Hey, I would love to know what your favorite holiday treats are. Leave me a comment down below in the description box. It's been fun, and I'll catch you later.